Welcome to the weekly episode part third, and part second was quite interesting. Episode two, and week three is more like a quarter three phase of the monthly candle, and quarter three we have like more predictable moves, and that uh, easy actually rather than trading the quarter second and quarter first. And quarter three we have like major days, for example, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These 3 days are well price action where we can see because Monday the price actually accumulate and it set the direction. So we see the open, low, high and close for the bullish movement. So Monday is like an open thing. So when the price actually consolidate and goes into the range and actually predict where the price can go. So we have like so many things cluttering up. I don't want to just clutter up all the intro. So let's deep dive into the chart and see how this week can be. So let's deep dive into the charts.
We are looking forward to the DXY, and we will analyze the major pairs related to it. Then we will go to the gold, then JPY pairs, GBP and USD JPY. Pound is looking kind of messy, but first we will be looking at the DXY. This is a 4-hour time frame, and this was a key level. The swing, which was I was talking about the last week, that this swing should be taken out. Now this swing has been taken out. We can see right over here this thing has been taken out. Prices actually shift some sort of structure. We can see there was a outer block which has been inversed, and this has become the breaker block. Price has come up to it, reacted to this area which is right over here. Price has reacted to this area. Now we can expect price to go higher for the short term. These are the liquidities pending over here until this area. I am looking to short from this area. So yeah, the next week I am anticipating the price to go higher. Then if it wants to, it will drop lower. So just the COD data, it will be falling out. This is a DXY anticipation. On the 4-hour time frame, it does not need any like going to the little time frame because it's majorly we are taking trade on the buys of this. Okay, coming up to the euro dollar, this euro USD, and we can see prices reacted to this area. We have swept out this liquidity, and price has came down. We have closed below this area. Now this has become like order block for this. Price is going up then down. This was another order block. Price is reacting to it area. So this is an area. 1 hour, if we refine it, this is a 1 hour time frame. Like there is another block in the 1 hour time frame which is price reacting to. But in the daily time frame, we will be looking at what's going on. Daily time frame was swap out this liquidity, and we have closed. If we see the weekly time frame, we have closed below this area. So this is a good indication that price is really want to go down, because we have also closed. Like if you see, we have closed below the last week high. So yeah, we can anticipate price to go lower. This is a weekly fair value gap right over here, and proportion block is right over here. Anticipating price to go lower, then it can go higher. Same as the DXY, short term bullish. It will be the Euro USD, short time bullish, bearish. Let's go to the GBP. GBP is quite interesting. SMT with GBP, because GBP was not able to swap out this high. Daily time frame, we can see that it was not able to sweep out this high. So there is an SMT because Euro does the sweep and GBP does not. Go to the 4-hour time frame and see what's happening. 4-hour time frame, anything interesting happening over? Yeah, we have swept out, actually closed below this candle. Below this candle, it's making an order block. But if we really want to see a clear image, we will go to the 1 hour time frame. But the only thing which is frustrating is in this liquidity area, because price has cutting the candles, and this was a Friday price action so much messy. That was uploaded a story to avoid the price action of Friday. So yeah, this is something messy around here happening. Price is closed below this area, which is right over here, but it's not that good, to be honest. But still, if we really want to go lower, I want what price to actually close below this. If price closed below this, then we can look for short in the GBP, and then we can go lower until the fair value gap present over here. Let's go into the gold. It has actually followed the price action which I was telling you guys. But the only problem is I was expecting price to go a little bit of lower, but it does not go that to that area. I was expecting that price may can come up to this area, but it does not came. It just reversed from this. So yeah, the actual thing was that our analysis worked out and we are in the highs. So what is the next area that we can look for longs to? This it is 2923 area. I'm anticipating that price can come up to this area. Then we can look for longs until unless we are reaching to this area. Any candle closure below, right above this area. If candle closes below this, then there's a chances that it will sweep out this liquidity and goes to the monthly time frame filled gap. But I think the monthly March candle will be closed. After that, we can look for that. For as of now, what I'm anticipating is Mondays to go lower, lower, lower up to this area, then it will expand higher. This is the anticipation for the gold. So yeah, this so it does not need to actually go to the lower time frame because everything is clear. Daily time frame if you want to see. Yeah, there's a fair value gap presented here, but discount fair value gap is this. So yeah, the chances are that it can react to this area and go higher. The chances are rarely that it can react to this area, but there's a 50-50 chance. So we will wait what the price action would be played out. So if you really want to get my all the trades, join my Discord. Link is in the description. Check it out. Let's check the GBP, JPY, pound JPY. Quite messy, but if you see the daily time frame, we have closed the weekly time frame. Bullish reaction closed right above this area. Now also we have closed above this area. So now what I'm anticipating is open uh 4 hour time frame. There was a fair look gap right over here. This. So if price closes above this area, you will build a long from this area. Stop loss would be below this. And if you really want to target, so you can target the above liquidities, which is right over here. So it will give you 1:2 risk to reward. Target that. Stop loss would be below this. But the only situation is price has to close above this. This was actually hypothetical order. But once the price closes above this, and drop down to the lower time frame and see what's going on. So this would be anticipation, closing higher, retest, and then boom until this area. So yeah, this is GBP analysis. Let's go to the USA JPY. I need to close this. It is same as like the GBP. First here we got like here shift here. We got in second shift, second area of shift, which is right over here. Prices actually came down, then move higher. Third shift was right over here. Price has not came to this area, but yeah, I think anticipating is the next week when the open price will be open. Anticipating to price to go down, then it can move higher up to like the area which is right over here. Think I need to just move on. Yeah, this area. So yeah, wait for price to come up to this area. Short term like see how the price is going on and if you're reacting to this zone, then you can move higher. So yeah, it's a very simple analysis for today. And the next week anticipation outlook. The major thing is DXY. I want to DXY to clear out these liquidities, move higher up to this area, then go down. So all the pairs are correlating with each other. This is a like biggest sign that why I am longing the DXY and shorting the GBP and Euro. Hope so. This episode 3 was quite fantastic, and see you on the next week, episode 4. Until unless, be safe and stay safe. Don't over level your account. See you. Bye bye.